3-inch direct thermal barcode printer is very rare in India. 2-inch label printer.
Label printer.
Wow, it's great.
It is 2-in-1 model.
2-in-1 model, direct thermal. When we are printing the barcodes, after 1 week, 2 weeks, it will vanish. This is beautiful, no?
Yeah, this is 3-inch.
3-inch model thermal printer. We can slide this one.
Yes.
You can see.
Yes. The paper from this place.
This one.
The paper from this place.
Yeah, I know. This is barcode printer.
The sensor.
Yeah.
Sensor. The barcode printer.
Yeah, because there is one paper stand will be there outside,
Yeah.
and you will feed from here.
Yeah.
Paper will come here, right?
Yes.
Like this, and the head is here. Strange. There is no autocut mechanism. Only this peel-off type shipping labels.
Yeah, shipping.
Label you can make it. Another model, white color. This is model number D361B, and this is including Wi-Fi, 4G.
Yeah, it is for the China market.
Okay. This one I think 4-inch.
Yeah, 4-inch.
4-inch thermal printer, 115 mm or 110?
1
115 mm I think.
Yeah. This model, it is old model. And
But it is very good.
yeah.
Model number DT1088. This is label printer.
Label printer.
Here this on-off switch, power supply. Hey, cash. This is a USB, yes.
USB.
This one working?
TF card.
Card, yeah. And here is the sensor.
Yeah, sensor.
For sensor.
To detect the
paper gap.
Yeah.
Here is another model.
3-inch.
This is a direct thermal barcode printer, right?
Yeah.
3-inch.
Yeah.
3-inch direct thermal barcode printer is very rare in India. USB?
Yeah.
Sorry, the power supply, USB, on-off switch.
Yeah.
Normally all this barcode printer is coming 4-inch. But this particular model is 3-inch barcode printer, DT325B. And this one I saw somewhere in other brand. I don't want to mention the brand name. One big brand is using this one. Same. See the print quality? It's extreme sharp. This is also 115 mm I think, right?
Yeah.
4-inch.
Yeah.
There is one sensor, there is
Printer head.
printer head is there. Very simple printer and lightweight. The model number XP460B. There is 470B also, no? It's not here. There is one model is there, XP470B. And XP365B, XP360B. You know this model?
Yeah.
Because of XP246B. This is
2-inch label printer.
label printer?
Yeah.
2-inch label printer.
Label printer.
Wow, it's great. Small size. In small budget price, you can,
Yeah.
But mostly, to be frankly, all the labels are printing like 2 inches, less than 2 inch. Most of the retail industry, like 2 by 1 inch, 2 by 2 inch. This is the stickers is most commonly using in India. And this is
The 2-inch also.
2-inch label printer again.
Yeah, label printer.
This is T202UA.
This model is new model.
New model, yeah. It's a very small size, great.
Small size.
X-printer badging you can see over here.
And
This is also new model, right?
yeah, new model.
Yeah, here there is a LAN cable, LAN connectivity, the USB. This is cash drawer, power supply, on-off switch, push button open. This is 2-inch. Yeah, 60 mm.
Yeah.
This is around 56 mm, yes. And here is a feed button, everything is there.
The feed button and
The indicator.
yeah.
And this is the model, and this is the model XP370BM.
Yeah.
On-off switch is here, and you can open like that. This is the model. Here we will keep the sticker rolls.
Yeah.
This is the printer head, everything.
Yeah.
See, this is automatically we can adjust.
Move the
Location.
check the break mark paper.
Yeah. Maybe the small sticker you can adjust like that.
Yeah, the break mark paper. Maybe in this place.
Yeah, we can adjust. This is left side alignment, right? Paper, not center alignment. This model is not center alignment, left side alignment. The sticker should be left side,
Yeah.
like that.
It can print the sticker and receipt paper.
Receipt also.
Yeah. It is 2-in-1 model.
2-in-1 model, direct thermal. This one.
This one.
365B.
Yeah, this one is.
But the problem is that when we are printing this kind of printer, even this printer, when we are printing the barcodes, after 1 week, 2 weeks, it will vanish. You know, the direct thermal, that's a disadvantages. Like if you print barcode in this printer, or also this printer barcode, if you are printing for textile industry, even groceries, supermarket, we stick the barcode in from this printer. After 2 weeks, nothing.
Nothing.
You know, this one means the lines will disappear.
Why?
Disappear, yeah.
Why?
Because the direct thermal, it's printing through the heat only. If you use the thermal transfer printer, it will long lasting.
Oh, but mostly it can keep 2 years maybe.
Never.
Never.
Because for example, ATM, ATM papers.
Uh-huh.
ATM paper, you see, after 2
months.
2 weeks, depends upon 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it will vanish.
Because it is a thermal paper.
Thermal paper, direct thermal.
It will disappear.
If you put a ribbon, it will be long lasting.
Yeah, if you use the ribbon to print it can print 2 years because that material paper it is different.
That's the reason we don't recommend this kind of printer for textiles, even groceries, like that. Even such kind of industry, you see, long lasting, better ribbon printer. You have maybe here.
If
I will
you
see.
want to keep
Yeah.
long time, you need to use the transfer barcode printer.
This is commonly available in India. X printer. This is the model number is N162. This is Mark II.
2, yeah.
3-inch automatic thermal printer.
In your 1602.
Yeah.
This model.
This model X printer, 160 mm per second. It's old model, I think. Low speed model.
This is new
Yeah.
model. It is entry level model.
Entry level, yes. This is low speed thermal printers. This is we saw there before, yes.
Same. And this is the new model.
What is the use of this one?
To protect the oil, water, and dust. It is for kitchen.
Okay. We can keep this close like that.
Yeah.
For kitchen, if we keep it open, some oil or smoke will go inside.
Yeah.
So we can close like that.
Yeah. Then it can protect the printer head.
Yeah.
No.
Printer head will not damage.
Yeah.
See, we can open like that. See, the printer head will not damage if we close like that, and the paper will become like that.
Yes.
The model is the model is T80K XPT. Same, all this
Same. Yeah. The same.
XPC 260M.
This is high level kitchen printer.
Yeah. LAN connection is there. USB, cache drawer, power supply. 260 mm per second. It's very high speed.
Yeah. We also have the 300.
300 also?
Yeah.
This is 300. This model is 260 M.
Yeah.
This is also 260 yen.
Oh, this one is only also 260.
This is also 230 mm only, the maximum speed. This is more speed.
This model is 300.
300, okay. 300 mm per second. High speed. What's weight also is there? 300 mm per second. XP C300H. This is also good. Kitchen printers.